Students, today I am telling about a 100% genuine trick for all formula based questions. Sometimes we don't have any idea about the formula, what they are asking in examinations, but still we are solving the question with 100% accuracy. Now let us see a question. A block of mass m moving on the frictionless horizontal surface collides with spring constant k and compress it by length L. The maximum momentum of the block after collision is. So this question was asked the previous NEET. Options are there. So that is option A, B, C, D. At first let us see the fundamental method. How can it solve? Solution. Here there is a block of mass m and horizontal frictionless surface collide with the spring. So here there is a frictionless surface having the block m, mass of m. So there is a spring with spring constant k. When the block was moving on the frictionless surface with speed or velocity v, then it will be compressed by length L. So here we have to find out the maximum momentum of the block after collision. So here the momentum P, it is equal mass into velocity. Mass into velocity. We know about the mass, but we don't know how the velocity. So that is the formula. It is the kinetic energy of the block, K of the block, is equal to the elastic potential energy of the spring. So K of the block is 1/2 mv square and elastic potential energy of the spring of KL square. Half of will be cancelled out. V square is equal to KL square by m and V is equal under root of KL square by m. For the momentum, P is equal mass into velocity. It is equal KL square by m is equal to m square L square by m, where mm will be cancelled out. It is, but according to the momentum, P is equal to mass into velocity. It is equal to mass into under root of KL square by m is equal to under root of m square K L square by m. M and square will be cancelled out. Under root of m k into square and root will be cancelled out is equal to L into L. Therefore momentum P is equal to under root of mk into L. So this is the answer, where the option it is at option A. Now coming to the trick, what they are asked us, it is the maximum momentum. So the dimensional formula for momentum, it is equal to, from the formula mass into velocity, we can written as mlt minus 1. So this is the dimensional formula for momentum. So here the four options are there. We have to checking the dimension formula for option A and option B, option C and option C. Which dimension formula is equal to the mlt minus 1? That is our answer. Let us check. Option A, under root of mk into L. K is equal to spring constant, that is nothing but F by X, since F is equal to Kx. Where it can be written as F is equal to ma, it will be mlt minus 2 by X, it is nothing but distance or elongation, that is L. LL will be cancelled out, that is mt minus 2. This is the dimension formula for K. Therefore we can substitute m into mt minus 2 into L. It is equal m square t minus 2 under root, it is equal to mt minus 1 L, nothing but mlt minus 1. It is equal to the mlt minus 1. Let us check option B. It is equal to KL square by 2m. Here k is nothing but mt minus 2. into L2 by m. M will be cancelled out. It is L2T minus 2. It is not equal to the MLT minus 1. Let us check option C. Is equal to ML square by K is equal to ML2 by what is K? MT minus 2. MT minus 2. MM will be cancelled out. It is L2 T2. So this is also not equal to the MLT minus 1. So option D is digit, that is 0. So hence answer it is option A. If you like the video, subscribe and press bell icon.